Hello and welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Anthony and this is my 2001 Mitsubishi Galant. This car has been sitting for about 10 years now, and I think it's time that we get it cleaned up and running again. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and clean up the inside and vacuum these carpets and shampoo the seats and get it all clean and nice on the inside. And then we're going to go ahead and wash the outside and do the same and get this thing looking good again, so that way at least while we're working on it, it can be clean, not get our hands dirty every time we go to touch it. So let's get started by vacuuming these carpets and let's get to it. Alright, so for some reason that little shop vac thing I was using started leaking, and it's taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to, so I'm gonna try and take the carpet out and pressure wash it, because it's a lot dirtier than I really thought it was, and it's taking a lot longer. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to do that.
I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode.
Alright, so you got this side all apart. It's just these little clips that hook on to this metal part here, and it pulls off. And I had to take this center console out, which took me a minute to figure out, but eventually got it. And now all this is loose, so I can take all this out and get it nice and clean without saturating the foam underneath too bad. There's all the center console right there, but just got to get the other side undone and it should come right out. So let's get to it.
She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same.
Alright, here you can see we got the carpet out of the car. It's nice and dirty, ready to be cleaned. Got the power washer all set up and ready to go. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Let's get to it.
Fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy, we getting
see, we have got most of that soap and crud rinsed out of there. That little carpet cleaner leaking right there really put a lot more soap in than I needed, so it took a while to rinse out, but we're far from done, so we're gonna go ahead and soak it with some more soap and get the scrubbing, and hopefully this turns out a lot better than it was. Alright, so you can see we pretty much got the whole carpet all done. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it'll work for now. A couple of stains left in the carpet, but we'll just have to live with that for now. Throw some floor mats down and won't really be able to notice any of that, so it's good enough for me. So as you can already tell, it's getting dark. I did want to wash the outside today, but it's going to be completely dark here in a few minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all the stuff away. I already got it all wrapped up, and pick back up in the morning, so see you guys soon.
Defeated, holding on to something I've needed. I'm looking for a reason, finding all you're wanting, a demon. Helpless, defeated, holding on to something I've needed. I'm looking for a reason, finding all you're wanting, a demon. And you took it all away from me.
So now we're done washing the car. Let's see how it turned out. Now before we reinstall our interior, we need to take care of these floors. Okay, so you can see how dirty this is, and look how clean it's coming out. Let's keep at it. Okay, so now that the floor is nice and clean, we can move on to cleaning the trim pieces.
Blame it on me. You're just too scared to be lonely. No one's safe from the reaper. Not a saint nor a sinner. Rage under my skin, slowly descending to madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Change, can you swear some? Never mind, I forgot where I came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted to blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself. I'm off of the meds and it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious? Run for your life cause it might get hideous. Why so serious?
Alright, so as you can see, we got all our trim pieces all clean. They came out pretty decent, a few scratches, but not too bad. Let's move on to the seats. as you can see, the seats were dirty, coffee stained, and greasy. But after a little bit of elbow grease, we were able to get them halfway decent again. Let's keep moving. Okay, so now the rest of the interior is clean, we can finish putting everything back together and see how it turned out. This is what we started with. And this is how it turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to see what we do next. Thanks for watching to the end. Until next time.